gone and purchased a one of these Rode mics. Well, let's just have a quick look. There's the little mic to go on top. When you get one of these mics, you're going to need this little adapter with one of these cases. These Ulanzi cases, which come from China. They didn't have any in the UK when I was just checking for eBay, and they had them for sale in China, and I ordered one because they were so cheap, under £10 including postage, and it's brilliant. You can see it's very solid plastic, very light as well. The aluminium ones are quite heavy, and also I was worried about with the metal ones, putting the camera in and out will scratch it, and this is, like I say, all plastic, very light. It's been made so well because it's not bigger than what it has to be. It's perfect size for the camera, and you can see in the bottom it's actually got a place to put the adapter, the 3.5 adapter, making it really nice. That will bend around and plug into your GoPro. So all in all, I'm absolutely shocked and surprised. Really fantastic. I hope the longevity of it is going to be fantastic. But anyway, let me take let's move the camera around so I can show you it being assembled, so we can see the final vlogging setup, which I think is really good. Anyway, let's get on to it. Right, here are all our components to make up this vlogging kit. Like I say, we've got the Rode mic, we've got the dead cat to put on the Rode mic if required, we've got the 3.5 mic adapter, here's our GoPro Hero 7, and Ulanzi fantastic case, one of the cheapest components. Oh, jogged the camera. Anyway, let's put it together. Now, what you've got here is a little door which has got a release mechanism here. You just pull that down and the back slides off, and initially you think, wow, maybe it's going to be a little bit loose in there, but what you'll find out is when you slide that on, it's made perfectly to fit. If I can push that in, you slide it, it's quite a nice fit already. You can feel the tension and it clips in, and it's solid. The camera is solid, there's no movement, which is a huge bonus. If you were to put the case on and it was loose, it would be a real disappointment. But there's none at all, it's very solid. Next thing we need to do is, one moment. Obviously, you've got to take the door off because you need that connection. Let's take that back out again. There you go, you just pull that back down. Let's whip that back out. How quick, easy is that? Let's take the door off. The door just comes back on itself like that, and you literally just pull it off. Right, let's put that back in the case. There you go, let's put that slider. I hope you're seeing this. Let's slide it back on, you clip it in. There you have it. There's the actual camera, GoPro Hero 7 in this Ulanzi case. Now what we want to do is put the mic adapter through. It can be a bit finicky because it doesn't, it's got a slight bend at the corner there, you can see, and it just needs to come through that hole. See if I can straighten it a little bit so we can push it through the hole. There you go. That's about the I've done it yesterday and it went through totally fine. Oh, there you go. There you have it. And that will just, and it's quite a tight fit. And it's just simply now a case of connecting it to the GoPro, and it's there. So what I do is put my finger on it, I push it out, and you need to bend this wire a little bit and just plug it in. I tend to tease it down like this. It makes it a little bit more tidy and doesn't put any stress on the connection. And now it's just a simple case of putting the Rode mic on top and doing it up. Don't need to over tighten it, obviously, and simply just plugging it into the other side. There you go. and you can see if you want to have another device fitted there, you can, like another battery pack, which would be handy to keep the battery powered up. And there you have it. There's the actual vlogging setup. How cool is that? So easy, so tidy. So much more tidy than so many more we see with all this Velcro business going on. What situation is that? It's no good at all, is it? And there you have it, a very light unit set up for vlogging.